Hello everyone, hopefully everything is fine and you all are safe. So in this episode I'm going to discuss a loop. Maybe in your lifetime you might not even touch this loop, but still this is taught everywhere, so why not just learn the basics for 1 or 2 minutes. So what is a do-while loop? So let me just read through this and then I will just go through the code, and if I go through the code you will understand each and everything. So first of all, while loop checks conditions before iteration of the loop, okay? And in do-while loop, it checks the conditions after execution of the statements inside the loop. So now let's do something. Let I equals to 1. Let us print first 1 to 10 and while. Okay, so yeah, I use the snippets directly, so you can, if you want, you can type in without snippets. So now I will write console log I and then I plus plus. So let us run this script and let's see what happens. You see it gets printed from 1 to 9. Okay, it gets printed from 1 to 10. But suppose something, if it was something like this, okay, sorry, it's a while loop. I needed to print a do while loop, so that's my bad. Yeah, suppose first of all, if I write something like console log I and I plus plus, suppose I is less than 11, which means I want to print from 1 to, okay, so let us do it, and it gets me printed from 1 to 10. However, if I do, now you'll understand things very clearly. If it's 12, and now what is supposed to happen? Let's see. You see it just runs 12 and then, so it doesn't check the condition at first. At first it executes the statement, then it checks the condition. So I feel we are very much clear with do while loop, and so that is very much it. And in the next we will learn about conditional statements, if else, else if, which are very important in programming. Thank you.